Gravenhurst's Amazing Builders Club. I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. So, follow me into the Amazing Builders Clubhouse, and let's get started. All right, Amazing Builders, let's jump right in to this week's Building Challenge. This week, I challenge you to build a bridge. A bridge is a structure. It carries people and our products on railways, roads, and even pathways over or across of obstacles that are in our way, like rivers, ravines, or gorges. They make travel much more efficient. There are many different types of bridges, including arch bridges, tied arch bridges, beam bridges, cantilever bridges, cable-stayed bridges, suspension bridges, and truss bridges. Take a look at these real-life and kid-built examples. Remember, you can complete the weekly building challenge in any way that you can imagine and using any materials that you want. That means you could use Lego, blocks, household materials, craft supplies, recycled materials, materials you collected in nature, or real building materials. How you build is up to you. All right, Amazing Builders, it's tool tutorial time. For this week's tool tutorial, we're exploring the level. A level is a tool that we use to check how straight or level something is. You can use it for something as simple as hanging a picture or something as complicated as building a house. A level looks like this. It has small tubes that are filled with liquid. Inside the tube is a bubble. There are also markings on the outside of the tube. You use a level by moving the bubble. When the bubble is in the very center of the two markings, you know that whatever it's resting on is level. Let's practice. When I put my level on the table, I can see that it's level because the bubble is in the center of the two markings. However, when I put it on this piece of wood, the bubble rises to the top of the cylinder, which tells me that this piece of wood is not level. Well, Amazing Builders, that's all I had for you this week. Complete the weekly building challenge and share your work. Upload a photo to the commenting section under this video. Create a post with a photo or video and tag the library. You could also share your work by direct messaging us on social media or emailing us a photo at library@gravenhurst.ca. I can't wait to see all of the amazing creations that you came up with. Also, remember to take a peek at the description for this week's video. You'll find additional information and resources pertaining to the weekly building challenge and tool tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new weekly videos. As always, Gravenhurst, I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.